Hey guys, so today I want to share with you some different ways of using the square knot to start your work instead of a lark's head knot. So we're going to start with this one. I found the centermost points in both of my cords. I folded them in half and I'm just going to make a regular old square knot. So from the left, and now we're going to do that from the right. I know it's a little bit wobbly. You can use a cork board and use a pin to pin those two pieces in place if you prefer. It's quite a bit easier. And then it makes it all the more simple. So now that I've done that first one, I'm just going to slightly pull up that so I have those two loops there. And now I'm going to make underneath two more square knot. So just like we do it if we were hanging it off of a dowel. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3. Now all I'm going to do, even that out a bit. That looks good. I'm going to take it, pull it over, and I'm going to use those same working cords, and I'll pull that right one through, and the left one through, those little loops that we made at the top, and then pull it nice and tight. And from there, you can start your work. I'll show you. Here's a square knot. My dowel is not staying in place today, but what can you do? There, so it just gives that really beautiful effect. So here is the second one we're going to make today. I'll show you how that's done. We're going to start it just like the last one. So we're going to take our two cords, fold them in half, and we're going to make a square knot. Okay, so once you get to this part, you can add the little loops like I've done there, or you could leave it like this. But for me, I really like those little loops. So I'm going to make the loops. I'm going to hold it behind my dowel, and I'm going to start with the left rope. And I'm just going to go over that first one, and then I'm going to bring it through. Okay, I'll be really careful here. I'm going to go over and then pull it through that loop there. Now, I hope you could see that. I'm going to do it again for each of them. Okay, so we are going to go over, just like that. Okay, so we have that one line, and then we're going to go over this way, but we're going to pull it when it comes through that loop, and then tighten it. Okay, so over, over once more, and then you get that loop there, and we're going to pull it through that loop and pull it nice and tight.